Friends, my name is Arun Thukral and I represent HCN Consultant. HCN Consultant stands for Human Capability Network Consultants. The initiative that was started almost 2 years back with the purpose of connecting professionals and students and people who are aspiring to join pharmaceutical industry and take the next lead in their career. HCN Consultants offers all solutions to them. For last 2 years, HCN Consultants has been working towards creating workforce professionals who can work exclusively in pharmaceutical industry and can provide their talent services to the industry. Today, after going through a successful stint for last 2 years, HCN Consultants is planning and organizing to start a new initiative called HCN Academy. HCN Academy, the whole purpose of HCN Academy is to update, upgrade and maximize potential in all individuals who are working professionals or who are students. You guys must have done a lot of training in your career, and I really appreciate that trainings help a lot in building our career as well as our skill profile. But today, if you look at it, most of these trainings are not up to the mark from an angle of that you take these trainings in a group, in a forum where it does not serve your individual need. Many times you have a question which you would like to answer, which you want an answer, but unfortunately it doesn't come out because many people are not open enough to ask questions, and still it does not offer an individual need of that individual. Which also means that in a forum when you are speaking, you are waiting for an opportunity in person with a trainer to get to know that what I need to do myself. So in short, we don't get answers to our personal or our individual solutions, individual problems, because we are different from each other. We are individuals who have different needs, who have different goals and who have different demands in our professional career. So why we should take trainings which are collective, which serve a very common purpose but not an individual purpose? This very thought has initiated a big question in my mind, that why not to initiate a program that delivers those goals which are your individual goals. And HCN comes together with a network of professionals from the industry who are senior, who are seasoned, who are experienced, and they can partner with you individually, not only to do your goal setting or career planning, but also help you to do excel in your current jobs. HCN will give all these facilities. Watch more for this space. Thank you very much.